Hello and welcome back. So let's finish up with our login and sign up pages. So of course we're on the login page right now, but I want us to have the sign up page as well. So let's separate these two, have the login and we have the sign up. So let's go back to our text editor, and in here we're on the login.php inside the views. So in the middle here there's an or, this or that. So, and that's specifically this one here, the H2 right there. So as you can see, this div ends here. Where is this div? Okay, so this is all the div here. We will not be needing this or, so I'll remove it. So the only thing we're left with is a section here that contains that and contains this also. So what I will do is just copy everything from here, copy, and then right inside eShop, right click, create a new file, and this one will be signup.php. There we go. So I will paste everything so that it's exactly like the login.php page. And then if I go back to the login.php page, what I could do is right here where it says keep me signed in, log into your account, keep me signed in here. I will put a break tag so that I can put the sign up page, sign up. So let's write something like don't have an account, double question mark, sign up here. Okay, great. So let me refresh that. Don't have an account, sign up here. I think we are better off putting this under the button, even under the form itself actually. Let me see how that works. Okay, don't have an account, sign up here. Great. So let's put this inside an A tag. ahref. Like so, and then close that tag here. And then what I will do here is I will say signup.php. Oh, actually it should just be sign up, that's it. So let me refresh this, and if I go down here I will see that it says sign up at the bottom there, and then I can come to the sign up page. But because the sign up page doesn't exist, it takes us to the home page. So let me come back here, log in. Now, the important thing to remember, okay, before I mention that, let's go and create the sign up controller, because only when you create the controller will the page be able to load. So let's copy everything in the login controller. Inside controllers, new file, paste, save. Let's save it as signup.php. Okay, so that's the sign up controller right there, and let's change the name, of course, to sign up. Same thing here. Good. Okay, so let me click here again. Bam, now we're on the sign up page. Okay, good. Now, when creating links, it's a good idea to put the full path to that link. So for example, when we're on the login page and I'm saying don't have an account, sign up, instead of just putting sign up here, because if in future I have right now it's on public here, you see there's public there, but there will be times when instead of just at the end of public here, there's another parameter here, and then there's 3 or 4 here. It becomes a problem. So let me see if I can replicate that just for a second here. I will put /2/3 at the end there. Okay, so we are still on the login page because the extra parameters don't matter. But the problem now is if I go down to login, where I said signup.php, you see that if I click, I'm still on the login page. The sign up has just been added to the very end of the link. I hope you can see that. So this is not exactly what we want, because we want to go to the sign up page where sign up is right here on the controller. So to achieve that, we have to put a full path even here. So instead of just this signup.php, I will put my PHP tags and use root in this case, like that. Okay, so refresh, and let me try again this time. Even though there's extra stuff there, if I click on sign up, it takes me to the actual sign up page. So let's make sure that we're on the sign up page by removing what we don't need. So on the login page here, we will need the login part. This is the login part. The sign up part is here. So what I will do is delete all this. Let me see what I have done here. Go back to login, refresh. Okay, so there's this part here, but it's on one side because probably there's container, there's raw. So I think we have to delete the raw, if I am not mistaken. Okay, that moved us closer, but this one, column, actually, that's the one we needed to delete. So let me remove column. Oops. Ooh. Okay, so clearly that was the wrong one to remove as well. Okay, what I'll do is I'll tinker with this on the flip side, then I'll let you know, because I haven't tested this template myself. I'm seeing the template as you are seeing it right now. So as I've deleted on the login, let me go to the sign up and delete there as well. So here I want to delete, this was on column. That's the column right there. So delete all this column part here so that we have sign up. This is on the sign up page. So refresh, go to the sign up page, and then we have sign up there. Okay, so in the next video we'll see how to give functionality to these guys.